SATO is a new innovation for offset toilets that has come to improve the livelihood and sanitation of our toilets. It has a self-closing and opening door mechanism. So what it does, when you fix a SATO pan on any of the pit latrines, when anything heavy is deposited on it, it will open and immediately closes. So that self-closing and opening door mechanism helps to keep the flies and the smell below down, and then it also helps to keep the toilet clean and safe. People are dying of lack of water and sanitation, and we believe as SATO we can play a role in trying to enhance and make this a better society. So we're here to mark this year's International Women's Day by upgrading the school toilets for our girls. So in particular, we are here at Emmanuel College, Kazo, in Kawempe division, and we believe this is one way of showing what SATO can do and how SATO can actually improve the sanitation and the welfare of our community.
We are very sure with this new arrangement we shall have better sanitation, and the experience in the toilets will be much improved.
We believe the private sector has a need. They're very, very important for us to get to safely manage sanitation. So partnering with SATO is an opportunity to see this in action, to see them playing a role in delivering sanitation services to especially the girls.
As Emmanuel College Kazo, would like to thank SATO for the initiative and for choosing us as the pioneers in this new arrangement. Thank you, SATO, and we invite other schools to come on board. SATO is the way to go.